Right down the middle. Yeah. Game. Let's see what happens here. It could be a strap match, but let's see. Table number 1, 2025 Manitoba provincial arm wrestling. And referees are Matthew Schultz and Derek Lau Spence. Keep everybody safe and fair. We're just moments away here. Lauren Wood on the left, Liam on the right.
Yeah, bud.
Well, right down the middle. It's a good matchup here between.
Yes.
All right, these guys are taking their grips and just moments away here. It's a good matchup here between Liam and Lauren on the A side. All right, looks like a coincidental, simultaneous fast start. We're moving into the referee's grip. More than 30 seconds. So now there's no movement in the referee's grip. Any movement by any competitor constitutes a foul. So any movement will constitute a foul. So both these competitors need to be absolutely still while being put in the referee's grip.
Yeah, I'm going to be closing you first, okay? Yes, sir. And just get comfortable, because once we start, no moving. You're comfortable?
Yes.
All right, we got to go this way. I just got to shoot this way. Open your hands. Open the thumbs, open your hands. Don't move. Remember, I'm closing you first. So you don't want to be covered, right?
Yes.
You do want to be covered. Ready, go!
Lauren Wood turning up the heat, and Liam's trying to hold on. What's the call, ref? Elbow foul?
Second elbow foul.
Second elbow foul. So Lauren Wood has 2 fouls. The winner is Liam Parkinson. All right, Lauren's ready to go. Lauren on the A side, or Lauren on the B side, looking for 2 wins to take first place. Liam is on the A side, just needs 1 win to take first place. So Lauren on my left on the B side, Liam's on my right on the A side.
Ready, go, bud.
It's a rematch of sorts. Let's see what happens here.
Ready, go!
Yes.
Liam bringing the power.
All right.
Great sign.
All right.
So Liam Parkinson taking first place, Lauren Wood taking second place, Caden Finley third place. Well done.